Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the Colored Stochastic Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This is a visual upgrade of the standard stochastic oscillator where the lines change color in overbought and oversold zones, making momentum shifts much easier to see at a glance. I'll load the indicator on the screen so we can see how it looks like in real time. On MT4 and MT5, the Colored Stochastic indicator appears in a sub-window as the familiar %K and %D stochastic lines moving between 0 and 100, but the line change color depending on where they are, as you can see on the screen. When readings are above the overbought level, commonly 80, the line switches to one color, often red, to show strong downside condition, as you can see here, indicating a bearish momentum. And when readings are below the oversold zone, commonly 20, it changes color, which is green, as you can see on the chart, to highlight stretch or a possible upside. This color coding makes it much easier to spot overbought and oversold states and potential reversal or pullbacks without constantly reading the numeric scale. For its settings, you can set the usual stochastic parameters, which is the K period, %K period, and %D period, can also affect or change the overbought oversold zones. Color options let you choose one color for neutral mid-zone readings and distinct colors for overbought and oversold zones, so momentum extremes stand out instantly. The Colored Stochastic Indicator is ideal for traders who already use stochastic and want clearer visual feedback on extremes and momentum changes on both MT4 and MT5. The momentum and overbought or oversold tool only and does not execute trades, and the signals should always be combined with trend direction, supports and resistance, and risk management rather than traded on color changes alone. You can download this Colored Stochastic Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This keeps the classic stochastic logic but adds color coding so you can read momentum conditions and extremes much faster across your chart. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, like the video and kindly follow the Forex Geek for more